2016 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. Come take a test drive today.